Today we're going to review the scented filament from Erwin One. My name is Bashar and they stock 3D printing. Okay, the scented filament from the Erwin One. Now they reach me, they ask me if I like to test this new filament. I said, for sure, I would love to test something new. I was lucky, and I think they sent it to others, member of the 3D community. They test their filament. Now, this filament, I don't pay for it. It's come for free as a promotion from Erwin One. And it was going to be in Kikstart next month. If I'm not mistaken, I will leave the Kikstart link if it's available, or once it's available, I will put it in the description down. Now, before I open it, they have two line product or two options for their scented filament. They have the flowers or fruit. I pick the flowers. Now, it's have come with the four. The first one, look at that. It's tulip. You can see it. A lot of packaging. I think this is a lavender, of course. Yeah. That half kilo, I think. No, not half kilo. This is 250 milligram for each of those. This is like half kilo now. This is rose. Ooh, look at that. I like the color. Even this color looks beautiful. Now, the last thing, at least, is jasmine. Okay. Jasmine. Oh, okay. They give me 4 color. Now it's gonna be Kickstarter. I don't know. Next month, I will leave the link down. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test the film. I'm gonna do some sample print. I will look for stuff to print with those cool, beautiful scented stuff, and I will show you what's come out from that print. Okay, now I print those 4 flowers with each smell, and when I was printing those, my son Samir and Nora show up, and I was telling them what I'm printing, and that their feedback. Okay, we're gonna test something, okay?
Are you gonna put our faces on here?
Yeah, test it. Tell me if you smell it. Okay, smell it. Where's this? What does it smell?
It smells like red roses, but instead it just smells like weird. I thought it was gonna smell like red roses, but it kind of smells weird.
Okay, let's see Samir. Give it to Samir.
You have to smell like close to it. Make a just touch it.
It smells sweet, like
okay.
Like a perfume.
Okay, smell this one.
Oh, that one smells. It's like a lavender vanilla smell.
I like this one. It's a lavender and vanilla.
This is lavender vanilla.
Coffee vanilla.
It's like some sort of vanilla.
I like it.
Okay.
I want to eat it.
No, don't eat it. Now, after that, I was like sitting. One of my best friend John, he showed up to my house to want to have a look at the 3D printing, what I'm doing, and I asked him his feedback about the smell, and that's his feedback.
Am I supposed to say anything?
No, you don't need to say. Just let me know what you think about them.
Oh,
This is your first time you meet them, right? What do you think of that smell?
Beautiful. Oh, I like this one. Are they all different?
They're all different smell.
It smells just like a rose, I think.
This is the rose one. I
That
like
one
this
sounds
one. This
good.
is the strong one.
Yeah. This one next strongest, I think.
Yeah. Tulip.
Yeah? What's this one?
Jasmine.
Jasmine?
Jasmine,
Okay.
yeah.
The rice.
This is lavender.
Oh, lavender.
Lavender.
I like it.
Yeah.
My favorite.
Which one is your favorite?
The rose. My favorite.
It's gonna be
Smells so
Kickstart.
It's gonna be what? Kickstarter?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I love it.
Now, after that, like as I mentioned, they all smell good. They all smell. You can find out they have a good smell. Now the most stronger one is the rose. For me and everyone, like all my kids, and even ask my wife, they all say the rose the most stronger one. But for me, I believe the most beautiful smell was the tulip. It was beautiful. I don't know. Now the strong for the smell is get less now, but still I can smell like there is something. But still the rose, still after 4 days, I left them here like for 4 days, and still the rose is the strong, and still there is a smell. Now I don't know the prices. I don't know too much details because I'm recording this before they launch the Kickstarter. And once they're gonna publish or they're gonna start a Kickstarter for those filament. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Please visit it, and if you like it, pack the project. If you don't like, share with me why you don't like. And if you order it or you pack the project and you receive those filament, please leave me a comment in the below. Tell me your experience about it. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit like and notification. And please, as always, I say, keep printing.